I don't think I've ever showed this fan. It's a 2008 Harbor Breeze. I don't really remember the model, but it is a Harbor Breeze 52 inch. Reversible. I don't know where the little switchy thing is. Guess it don't have a switch. I guess it just has that button right there. But it's 52 inch. It replaced a 1991 Emerson that threw a blade. The actual thing right there actually broke on the old fan, and it flung it into the wall over there. I'm not joking. Let's fire this puppy up. I have it reversed for a reason. I'm busy. And it's very slow on startup and makes a buzzing noise when it starts up. And the noise, if you can hear it in the background, is the heater. And let's cut it off. And it takes a long time to spin down. Oh yeah, and it's 8:02 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, over and out.